Welcome to this Udemy course, Start Developing iOS Apps with Swift for Beginners. This course is great for everyone who has just decided to become an iOS developer. Since Swift is a new and awesome language to create iOS apps, this is really a good choice if you start immediately using Swift and not going back to Objective-C. This course is divided into different sections. We will start with a simple project to illustrate the possibilities of the iOS framework. This is what we are going to do instead of a little Hello World example. We will then explore the IDE Xcode, which is awesome to create all of your new projects and all of your apps that you already have maybe in mind. We will then cover the basics of the Swift programming language, so we're going to talk about variables, constants, and also about advanced data types like arrays and dictionaries. Since the Swift programming language and iOS itself is based on object-oriented programming, we will also cover this advanced topic to then create our own user interfaces. We will then conclude this course with a real-world example to show you how to connect all the bits and pieces you have already learned. So I wish you good luck and a great journey on your way to become an iOS developer.